Hi everyone and welcome back to the Java class. So let us continue the journey to learn how to design and develop a order management system using Java programming language. So we were working on this problem statement and we have created three different classes like a product, shopping cart and a main driver class. So let us see and let us move to the Eclipse ID. Let's see what we have done in our previous video session. Okay, so in our previous video session, we have created a class product that contains the different attribute of product. We have added a constructor and getters and setter methods along with the toString method. So that class we have created in the last class. Then the second class, we have created a shopping cart that contains a array list of a product. We have added a methods that will help us to add a particular items in your shopping cart. Along with it, we have added a method view cart in order to display your cart items, which has been added by the user. And we have written a class that is a main class that where we have created multiple product and we have added these product inside a shopping cart, my cart, and you can see view your cart. So whenever you will run this program, you will see what is the output. So it will display these items you have already added, and this is your shopping cart. So that program we have done. So let us complete the definition of REST function. So let us move to your shopping cart example and complete the definition of a remove item. So how will you remove an item? So I am just adding a method public boolean and you will use a function remove items, right? So how will you remove item? You will just pass a particular product ID that you would like to remove. Product item, or this is not a product item, you will pass a product ID, right? And then you will write the code inside it. So how will you just write, or how will you write the code of it? You need to remove and you will return a false here, right? So this is a function which help us to remove a particular item based on the ID. So first you need to just check the particular item is present or not. So in order to remove item, you will just iterate over a list of an items using an iterator. So I am creating an iterator for a particular product. So here, this is a way how to create an iterator, and we have already covered in our theory sessions how to create your iterator. So simply you need to apply on which data structure you would like to create an iterator. So simply we will call items dot iterator. So this iterator object we have created. Now you will apply a while loop here, right? And you will iterate over this iterator. You will check, do we have a next element inside a list? So you will use simple iterator dot has next. If we have a next element, so you need to check this list contains this particular product ID or not. So how will you check it? So simply no need to use it. I will remove it and you will apply a if condition here. So inside this if, you will just use, right? You will use the condition, you will check a particular item is present or not. So, but before checking it, you will get a particular product. So you will just get a particular product. How will you get a particular product? Product is equal. You will simply use iterator dot next. So what this next method will do? If your particular product is present inside your list, it will be written by a has next function. It will return true. If product is present, it will return that particular product. Now inside this if condition, you will just apply if particular product dot get product ID if it is equals to a particular product ID, so which we are trying to search, right? So whatever the product it will be returned, that product ID you will search with this product ID. If this product ID will be matched, what will you do? You will call a remove function. You will call simple iterator dot remove. It will remove that particular ID, and you can display a message. You can display a message system.out.println, or here you will display a message removed, and that item name you will removed. You will simply write product dot get product name. So it will display that particular product is removed, and return, and it will return true. Okay, if that item is not present, it will return a false message, and you can display a simple message here, item not found. You can display product with ID is not found, and you will just display the ID here, product dot get. So here, how will you display that? Product dot get product name is not available. You can simply use, or simply you can write here that particular product ID is not found, right? So this, the definition of your remove item is completed now. So this is your remove function. Let us save it, and you will come to the main, or inside it now you can remove a particular item. So how can you remove a particular item? So let us remove a particular item. So here simply you can display a message removing items from a cart, right? So you will display removing items from a cart. You can just simply call a functions. And how to call a function? My cart dot remove item, and here you can pass some product ID. For example, product ID is P1001. This item we would like to remove, and if you would like to just view your cart, view cart again, so simply you will call my cart dot view cart, right? So let us run this program and let's see what is the output of it. So right click on it and we will run it. You will see what is the output of it. So guys, it is showing these product we have added. That is, this is your shopping cart list. Now removing items from a cart, it is showing the gaming laptop we have removed, and you can see this is your updated list. So your item with ID 1001, that is a gaming laptop, has been removed. So guys, I hope you understand how to add a function to remove a particular items from your shopping cart list. So guys, in the same way, you can write the different functions, right? Like if you would like to update some item, right? So this is a way. If you would like to update some item, you can write the code that will help you to update a particular product, right? So I'm just writing it, or I'm leaving on you. You can just write this code. How can you update a particular item corresponding to a particular ID, right? Just wait a moment. Okay, guys, so here is a code to update a particular product. So in order to save time, just I have written this complete code, then I will explain you, right? So here we have added a function update product, and here we are passing three parameters: product ID, the new name which you would like to update, and the new price. So for a corresponding product ID, you will update the name and a price for it. So in order to iterate over a list, you will use a for each loop, right? So you will use a for each loop, and you will check if a particular product ID is equals this product ID and the name is not null. You will set a new name and it will display your updated name, right? You will check is if the new price is greater than 0 means assuming we are pricing that cannot be a negative, means the user cannot update a negative price for a particular product. So you will use a product dot set price. The new price will be set and it will display a message, and it will final message, it will be displayed product updated successfully. That particular product is updated and will return true. If that particular item is not present, it will display the particular product ID, means this product ID is not found in cart for update, and it will return false. Guys, this is a way how can you just write the code to update a product. So let us move to your main driver class and let us see how to call this function. So let us call this function in order to update a particular product. So here now I will update a product, right? So for example, you would like to update a particular product. So you will call this function my cart dot update product, and which product you would like to update. For example, you would like to update a product P1005. So here I will write here P1005, this product you would like to update, and the new value for this headphone you would like to update a new name. For example, this is a wired headphone, wired headphones, right? And the price for it is little bit like a 105.00, right? So we have called this function in order to update a particular product. So this is a function which help us to update a product. So what this method update product is undefined as shopping cart. So we have not saved this product. So let us save this class. So this is your update product function. You can see this one. Now this error is removed. So we are updating a particular product. So after getting update, you will just view your cart, my cart dot view cart, right? So let us save this program. Let's see this function is working or not. So right click on it and run Java application. Let's see it is working or not. So you can see here, this is these items you have added. This is your updated shopping list. This you have removed, laptop you have removed. So there is no laptop right now. Now you are updating the ID, this one, to wired headphone. Updated price is this one. And you can see product updated successfully. And this product ID, your name and price has been updated, and you can see the complete list of it. So guys, this is a way how can you perform the different operations on your shopping list, right? So if you are trying to update a wrong item, for example, let me just copy this one, and here you will update a ID particular, that ID is not present. You can see P1008 wired headphone, this ID is not present. So let's see what will be the output of it, right? So I will remove this one and we will run it again and you will save it. So what kind of message it will display? It will display product ID with this 1008 not found in the cart for update. So guys, you will get a complete meaningful message, right? So we have updated our cart. We have, finalized our cart. Right now we have some items inside my cart. Now you can just calculate the final bill of it. So you will go to the shopping cart and you will just write the code to calculate the price of it. So how to calculate the price of it, right? Let us add a method. So here I will add a method here, right? So I will add a method public double, and your method name will be calculate price. So you will use a calculate price method. So how will you calculate the price method? So it will return a double value, right? So let us define some variable double total price, or initially your total price is 0. It will be initialized from 0 and you will return the total price, right? So this method we have added. Now, how to calculate the total price? So simply you will check how many elements are present inside your cart. So you will just simply use for each over iterable product items, and here you will calculate the total price. Total price plus equal product dot get price. Product dot get price. So here you will calculate the total price, and this is a code. How will you calculate the price of? Okay, so this is a function which will calculate the price of your cart. So let us move now main function and let us see what is the final price of the cart. So you will go to the main function, that is a main driver class. So here you will just calculate the price of a car. So here calculate bill, right? How to calculate your bill? So you will define a variable. So you will define a variable. Okay, so let us see. Double total bill is equal, right? So total bill you will calculate my car dot calculate price, and you will just display the price of it. Total price, right? Total price you can display in dollar, right? So I will write in dollar, plus you will display the total price. So this is a total bill. So let us run this program and you will see what is the output of it. So let us run it and you will see what is the output of it. You can see the total price of your cart is 490.5, and here you can just calculate this one. This is the price, this one, and this one. If you will add all this, you will get 490.5. So guys, this is a final bill of your cart. Now in the between you can call multiple functions, you can update, you can perform, you can remove element from the cart, right? Or finally, if you would like to just clear your cart, right? So how to clear your cart? Let me add one more method inside it so you can understand how to just clear the cart, right? How will clear your cart? So simply you will add public void clear cart method. So here, how to clear your cart? Simply, it is very easy. You will call sysitems dot a clear function, and you will display small message. A small message is shopping cart has been cleared. You can write is cleared, right? So now you can call this function inside a main to clear your cart. So clear a cart, right? How to clear a cart? So you can simply call this function my cart dot clear, right? So let us run this program and you will see what is the output of it. So guys, this is the message that is showing shopping cart is cleared, or if you would like to see your cart has elements or not. So here you can use my cart dot view cart, right? So let us run it and you will see what is the output of it. So you can see your cart is empty. Your cart doesn't have any empty. Your cart doesn't have any items. It is showing your cart is empty. So guys, we have implemented all the functions carefully. So I request to everyone, please try all these operations, how to perform these operations. This is a very, very important problem statement in order to perform different operations on your data structure. So let me show you the complete code again. So we have created a class product. We have these attribute of product, and we have added a constructor or getters or setters method. You can see this is your toString function. You can see this is a toString function. After this, we have created a shopping cart dot java class. We have added a array list and a constructor. In order to initialize your array list, we have added a method add items. Then this is a function to remove items. We have done this. Then we have added a method that will help us to update a particular product. So this is a update items. This is a code to update your items. And this is how to view your cart. This is a function that will help us to calculate the complete price. And this is a function which will clear your list. So this is the complete code of your shopping cart class. Next, we have done a main function. So this is a main function. We have created different product. We have created an object of a my cart. Initially, it is a blank. Now we are adding, we are just performing different operations. Now this is a complete code of our problem statement. So guys, I hope you understand it. So please try it. And one more homework I'm just giving you. So after completing this exercise, please convert the same project into a menu-driven application. So you can design a console-based menu-driven applications where user will ask to perform different operations on that particular card. So thank you guys. Thank you very much. We'll see you in the next class and we'll come with a new problem statement of a Java programming. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Have a great day. Enjoy your day.